My fixing ride bike. First thing in the morning, so it hasn't been started yet. Throttle, regular wheel, rubber band to hold it in. Need to get a new air filter. Out of the plastic, all I did was take the top off just because the bubble was plucked up, and I just trimmed the front. The reason why I did that is because the metal plates, that's the only screw. The bottom actually broke off my first design, but I have a metal plate in there, metal plate on bottom, holding it together. Damn screws keep coming out of my muffler too. Yeah, hold on. This bound wire, holes drilled. This is actually sprocket off of the tire that came off this bike. This is a junkyard tire. Needs to be replaced immediately. Might drop down. This is a like 1/4 inch piece of steel. This is aluminum, but all the pressure is right there. Steel bar, steel bed frame, 1/4 inch steel. I don't know where it came from, but it's pretty damn strong. For a clutch, if you can see the tire. Right there, it tightened onto the tire. I'll loosen it back up. Start the turnbuckle back out, which pushes it down, which raises it up. That's all you get real quick. As you can see as I rotate. It's another bike axle I just trimmed down. All junkyard parts. The bike was free. The engine was from a weed eater that we had since 2016. Let's see if I can get it started. This is a cold start. Once you get it warmed up, first pull every time. Uphill right now. My chain. Fixed sprocket, largest tooth, or largest gear. About 15 right now. Rumped out, max is about 25. along a highway, it's like 5 miles straight, so it might look slower than it feels. I kind of look faster than it feels. It's crazy.